Do you know how long it really takes to open a Westpac account? Minutes? Days? Weeks? If you've been wondering about dipping your toes into Westpac's banking services, or perhaps you're a newcomer to Australia looking to set up your financial life, understanding the account opening process is key. It's not always as straightforward as a quick online form, and knowing the nuances can save you a lot of time and potential headaches. So, let's break down the different scenarios and give you a realistic idea of the timeline involved. First off, the most common question: can you open a Westpac account instantly? For many, the answer is a resounding yes, at least for the initial setup. If you're an Australian resident and you're opening a standard Westpac Choice Everyday Transaction account or a Westpac eSaver online savings account, you can often complete the online application in just a few minutes. Westpac itself states it can take just minutes to open these accounts online. This process usually involves providing your personal details, such as your name, date of birth, and an Australian residential address. You'll also need your mobile phone for verification. If your identity can be verified online through their systems, you could have an account number almost immediately, and even access to a digital card in the Westpac app before your physical card arrives in the mail. This means you can start making online payments or using your card via your mobile wallet very quickly. However, open doesn't always mean fully functional right away. For new customers, especially those who can't be fully identified online, there might be an additional step: in-person identity verification. This is often the case if you're new to Australia, or if the online system can't match your provided identification documents. If this happens, your account might be opened but initially restricted to accept deposits only. To make withdrawals and fully utilize your account, you'll need to visit a Westpac branch with your identification documents. This obviously adds to the overall timeline, as you'll need to factor in travel time and potential wait times at the branch. For new arrivals to Australia, while you can start the application online, you'll almost certainly need to visit a branch to complete the ID verification process before you can fully access your funds. What about other types of accounts? If you're looking to open a Westpac Life Savings account, you'll typically need to already hold a Westpac Everyday account in the same name and be registered for online banking. This means the process for a Life account will be quicker if you're an existing customer. Similarly, for joint accounts, while you can often start the application online, both account holders will generally need to visit a branch in person to verify their identity. This again extends the how long question beyond just the online application time. The types of identification you have readily available also play a significant role. Westpac usually requires two forms of ID, typically a passport and a driver's license, or a combination of primary and secondary documents like a birth certificate and a Medicare card. Having these documents prepared and accessible before you start the application will streamline the process considerably. If you have to hunt for documents, or if there are any discrepancies, it will naturally take longer. While Westpac offers very quick online account opening for eligible individuals and certain account types, the overall time it takes to have a fully functional account can vary. It can be as fast as a few minutes if all goes smoothly with online verification, or it could extend to a few days if an in-person branch visit is required for ID checks. The best approach is to have all your necessary identification documents ready and to be aware that for some scenarios, a trip to the branch will be part of the journey. With said, thanks for watching and until next time.